Hello beautiful, thank you very much for watching. Welcome to a new video. If you're part of the YouTube family, it's nice to see you again. If this is the first time we're meeting each other, I'm Alexandra. It's very nice to meet you. I hope you'll stick around. Today, I wanted to take this video opportunity and address something that is a pain in the butt for many, if not most of us, and that is dark circles. Yes, that just happened because we have a high production value over here. But in all seriousness, it is a pain in the butt for most of us, and I wanted to use today's video opportunity to not only show you how to very effectively cover them with makeup, but also treat them in the process as well, because why just cover them when you can make them better? So I hope you're going to enjoy today's video. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, it will be an honor to have you as part of the family, and let's get started. When it comes to dark circles, causes can be many, and I'm going to include most of them right over here. Realistically, it's quite impossible to find that one product that can essentially cure the dark circles, especially when most of us don't really even know exactly which cause to pinpoint to. However, there are ingredients out there that have been shown to improve the appearance of dark circles, and I believe that if we incorporate those ingredients into our daily routines, then we are going to notice a significant difference. And that is what we're going to start off with today. Let's talk about treatment. I want to show you a new product from Kiehl. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I like this brand a lot, and I've used a wide variety of their products. This is their latest one. It's called the Youth Dose Eye Treatment. The hero ingredients in it are pro-retinol, red grapeseed extract, and vitamin C. Red grapeseed extract, which by the way is full of antioxidants, and it's what gives this product a natural tint. I'm honestly really excited about this formula because the ingredients can really help reduce the look of fine lines, puffiness, and dark circles, of course, the topic of today, while smoothing out and brightening the under eyes. I apply this product in the PM after cleansing the skin, toning, using all my serums, and right before moisturizer. The directions recommend using this product every morning and evening. Now, because of the retinol present in the formula, I personally only use it in the PM. If I were to use it in the morning, I would go ahead and cover the product with an SPF formula afterwards. But I only use it in the PM, and I have to tell you, I've been seeing great results, so I am not mad. And another thing worth mentioning, since I use it in the PM, you may have noticed that the product is slightly tinted. So if you're like me and you're doing your due diligence and you make sure to take, your makeup off and remove any traces of makeup off at night, then you're wondering why in the world are you putting a tinted product on your eyes after you've taken your makeup off. But I assure you, there's nothing color makeup in the ingredients of this product. The tint purely comes from the red grapeseed extract. It just gives it that natural tint, so that is why. So in terms of treatment, this has truly been my hero product. Every once in a while I do some DIYs and I put some almond oil and all that jazz, but realistically, as far as the product is concerned that you can buy that is rich and super packed with ingredients that have been shown to have an improvement in the appearance of dark circles, then this is my go-to. So that is the treatment portion of dark circles. I've had great success with this product. Now it's time to move on to the makeup portion. Okay, so brown tinted circles are the most common and typically a sign of excess pigmentation, basically melanin buildup caused by sun exposure. In terms of makeup, they are best covered with a peach or orange based corrector. Now, dark circles with a blue hue are usually attributed to lifestyle, things like lack of sleep, stress, allergies, or nasal congestion. They are the visual result of slow microcirculation, which causes the blood to become less oxygenated and turn from red to blue. They will be best covered with a yellow corrector or generally a concealer color that is one shade lighter than your skin tone. a little bit of a messy hair, which we'll say was on purpose. And ta-da! Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something of value today, please give this video a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. I hope that you enjoyed yourself being here just as much as I enjoyed recording for you. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything else specific or any type of video that you'd like to see on my channel, I'm all eyes and ears. I'm always listening to you, so leave me a comment below. Thank you for being subscribed to my channel, for following me on Instagram. You are incredible, and I appreciate you so much. So I'll see you again very soon in a new video. Take good care of yourself, and thanks again for being here. Bye.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.